Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article for you. Today's article, it covers impoverished investors turn to Bitcoin. This is from the opinion section of cryptodaily.co.uk. So let's go over this article because it seems kind of true of what's going on right now. Around the world, countries are collapsing under the weight of debt caused by the fiat monetary system. Inflation is now raging, and one of the only ways to protect wealth is to purchase Bitcoin. The fiat monetary system, espoused by Keynesian economists, is a debt based system where governments print ever more currency, leading to ever higher piles of debt. This is the system we live within, and it is vastly unfair to the average citizen and wreaks havoc on the world's poorer countries. Argentina is anything but poor, but if you take into account the country's resources, but decades of bad government has seen the country plunge further and further into debt. Inflation was recorded at 58% in April and could go as high as 70% this year. Confidence in the peso, the local currency, is at an all-time low, and therefore Argentinians are electing to offset their losses by buying Bitcoin. It's still early days, but according to an April report from America's Market Intelligence, around 12% of Argentinians are now holding crypto, around double that of Mexico and Brazil. The Argentine central bank repeatedly warns people about investing in cryptocurrencies because of their huge volatility, but doesn't appear to have any answer to 58% inflation, which is arguably far worse than what an investor can be expected to lose through holding Bitcoin. True. Inflation is also incredibly high. April's figure of nearly 70% may well climb past 100% by the year end. President Erdogan recently had a meeting with Nayib Bukele, the president of El Salvador, and this may have prompted him to give cryptocurrencies another thought. After being extremely negative on them in the past, new tax rules are being proposed on crypto exchanges and crypto companies in general. Also, safer ways are being explored to store cryptocurrencies. All this means that Turkey must be seriously considering crypto as a possible way to leverage it in order to help citizens avoid the ravages of inflation. According to crypto payments service provider Tripoli, nearly 3% of Turkey's population currently own cryptocurrencies, with the Turkish lira debasing at a rate of about 50% in the last 12 months and annual inflation scorching to a 20-year high. It can be imagined that many more citizens will be looking at Bitcoin to store their wealth. Now, a disclaimer for this article is this article is provided for informational purposes only. It is not offered or intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. So yeah, just educational purpose for this article, what's going on around the world, and yeah, people are turning to Bitcoin. Like, it's a lot better than the inflation rates we're going. They keep saying here in the States too, it's going to be getting higher and much worse. Like, what is like next month they're going to be raising another half a point, which is crazy. And it's just not going to stop there. So yeah, they keep printing money in this fiat system and they try to point the blame, but we already know what's causing all the pain and suffering right now. So yeah, very interesting and educational article right here. If you guys thought so too, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat. And as always, all the links to these articles are in the description box down below. So if you want to give it a read through yourself, it's right down there. So until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.